What a beautiful table. The perfect thing to do nothing and enjoy yourself in a beautiful big place. Looking at the view. What?
Oh my god!
Wow, oh my
Are
god,
you
what?
touching something?
No girl, not rating. Look, it's somebody behind you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is VenusLove. I'm really happy to have you here. I hope you like the new introduction that I did to Halloween. I wanted to do something different. And today we're gonna do the Thistle Kilt, the skirt from Mud Patterns. This one right here. I'm gonna link the pattern right in the description. Don't forget there is a free pattern so you can use it. And I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's do it. Hey, and so we're gonna start right away. This time I decided to use the cute tape with little stickers and Christmas decoration because I think they're gonna be easier and more soft for the paper, and that way if I make a mistake I can just remove it and put it back, which was way more easier than what happened with the clear tape. Also, even if you have decorations still a little bit clear, so I can still see the lines, which was way easier. And then I cut it and it was amazing. All my parents look so cute and I'm so happy with the results. So I'm gonna start using decoration tape every time I make my patterns. Another tip that I do is like I don't tape everything together. I take piece by piece, and that way I save time in tape and paper, and to make the process way more easier than others, because it's just easier than taping it all together. I just tape few pieces and then I use everything complete. I have got all the pieces. It's 8 in total. This is how it looks so far. All of this. So I'm gonna show you how many. I'm gonna cut it on the fabric, and after that I'm gonna show you how to do the skirt. Okay. So now that you cut your 2 pieces, you're gonna grab one of the pieces that you cut for A and one of the pieces you cut for F, and you're gonna put it on right sides together, and you're gonna sew one line. Okay, and after doing that you're gonna grab the F, I think this is F, and then you're gonna grab one of the D pieces that you cut 2. You're gonna grab one of those and you're gonna face it right sides together. You're gonna sew only that part. Okay, and after you sew the 3 pieces together, you're gonna do the same thing with the other 2 pieces of this one that you got 2 for A, 1 for F, and 2 for D. You're gonna do the same thing, and then you're gonna face them together. Okay, and you're gonna sew all this area here, all this over here. Okay, so you sew it all together. You're gonna open it. You're gonna open it, and you're going to strain it first. Okay, let's strain it. This is how it looks. This is how we're gonna put the pockets. We're gonna do that at the end, so we can size and see where exactly it's gonna look better on it. Okay, now we're gonna sew the back part. So we have H. That is one that it was full. This is H. And then we go up so you guys can see better. This is H, and this is G, side back. Okay, so we're gonna put one here. We're gonna sew this part here, and then we're gonna place the other one over here, and we're gonna sew this part as well. Okay, let's do it right now. And this is how it looks. We're gonna open it and then iron this part here and this part here. Okay, now we are going to grab C. That's where it's gonna be the flesh. I'm gonna face it here, the fabric. Okay, so for this we're gonna use a rule, and we're gonna do one of these spaces for each flesh. Okay, so we're gonna start from this side, and then we're gonna continue on the other one. So, okay, so we're gonna come 2, and then we're gonna edge like this. Okay, just like that. I just want to make sure that it's big how I wanted it to be. That's perfect. We're gonna name that. We're gonna use one of these, okay? And then we're gonna continue the same thing. We have this, and then okay. A lot of people like to do it with a pen, but I just do it by hand. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna, after you put the pin here that they already make the flash, you're gonna measure. So I'm doing it like an inch. You can make it bigger or smaller. And in that inch, you're gonna, not gonna grab it from there, but you're gonna grab it from here. And then you're gonna flash until it's just in this area, okay? So after playing your fabric, this is something that's gonna look like this. I recommend to iron it. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna sew a straight line over here so we save the flash, okay? Right, the straight line, we're gonna add a new sew. We're gonna sew this area. So what I did, I measure it around 4 inches and I mark it down here with a marker right here. Then we're gonna just do a straight line here for each one, okay, just on the bottom right here to secure the sew, and that way the pleat stayed as it is. And this is how it looks. I really like it. You know, I did the seam here around 4 inches, and now we are going to sew the extra front pieces to this one, and let's continue on that. Okay, so now we are going to sew the E piece that is gonna go on the left side of the skirt. This is the pleat part. This is the C. I'm gonna put it in the left side, the E piece, and this, it caught my camera, but we're gonna put the B side, the B piece on top, on the right side of the pleat part. Okay, and then we're gonna sew this part here and then this part here. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so show you. So now we are going to sew the front part with the back part. So we're gonna grab the E, the long part. Let me show you. This is a short, this is a long part of the front part. We're gonna grab this part here. I'm gonna show you a minute, and then we're gonna grab the back part that we already sewed. We're gonna face it over here. So let me show you my camera so you guys can see me better. And like this. So we are going to sew the E part, the front part, with the back, one of the side of the back. They're both the same. Both sides are the same. So we're gonna grab this part. So, wait, right here. This part. Okay, let's do it. After sewing the front piece and the back piece together, this is how it's supposed to look. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna do the ends, so I can just get that over the way. So I'm gonna do it and then I'm gonna go back, okay? After sewing, I'm not sure if it's a pattern, but it's too big. So what I'm gonna do to fix this is like, I'm gonna make this part a little shorter, and that way everything can fit on the waistband, okay? So I'm gonna do that right now. I just got it here in the middle. I'm gonna just cut it in half. It's because the back, I was thinking of folding it, but then the back is gonna look all weird. So I'm just gonna fold it in half, and then I'm gonna just sew a little smaller, and that's it. Then I sew everything and I put this part a little bit smaller. I don't remember, it was the E part, and this is the back area, and this is the front. I just make this part smaller so it can fit in and the back can still look good. So now we are going to sew the skirt to the waistband. So I'm gonna just put it on the top, right sides together, and we're gonna sew along all this area. So I have to pin it, and then I will pin it, and then I will sew, and I will show you guys, okay? And this is how the skirt is looking so far. Pretty cute, pretty potato. Now we have to sew the buckles. So it's just 2 buckles. I have this one from Amazon, really cute, I like them. Okay, so this is how it's looking so far. I like it, pretty cute. So now the buckles. So it's gonna be one here. Like leave some of the pieces, it doesn't go away. And this one here, I guess. Okay, very nice. I'm just gonna buckle this part. I think I put a little bit that I pinned my pens for accident, but it's fine. Okay, and this is the result. I even put a cute shirt to match. I know. What do you guys think? What? I mean, let me go closer so you guys can see me better. Look at that, it's so cute. Oh my god, I really like it. This might be one of my favorites. Bam, 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 bam. Look, I even dressed up for you guys because it's Halloween. Look at that. Look at that. So cute. That, and you can leave it open, but it closed. And I like that it's no zipper. I really like it. It's so my style. Ouch, yeah. But yeah, I hope you guys like it. See you guys next week. And happy Halloween. Don't forget to like and subscribe.